So now we'll get into the statistical concerns. So here is that drop-off vote analysis. Or people are a little more confused about this. So the way you read these is there's two colors. One is the Democratic president, and the other is the Republican president. The blue is the Democrats, red is the Republicans. And all you're looking at is if a candidate is performing underneath or above the 0% line, which is the amount of votes the senator got in this case. And so it's not that you're underneath or above, it's how consistently you are underneath or above. And so this is Pennsylvania, 424, all vote types. And so we see that not only is the Republican Party overperforming pretty consistently, it's mirrored as well by the Democrats underperforming. This is a concern because if you compare this to other elections in the past or other states that aren't swing states, you should see more variety in how you perform. It should be far more chaotic in this case. And so instead, we see more of a consistency, which we are concerned may not be reflective of human voting patterns. So we're going to actually break this down real quick. This is by vote type. So on the left is mail-in, and on the right is election day. You will very quickly notice mail-in, we see a lot of that underperformance for the Democratic president disappear, right? It goes away. We still see Trump overperforming, and that could be, normal. Maybe the senator isn't as popular. But the point being is majority of this underperformance is occurring election day on the right. And we flagged this because if this was a non-human voting pattern and it was caused by manipulation, why is it only occurring in election day? Are you only manipulating election day? Does that mean mail-in is then more normal? And so we actually apply this when we look at our statistics. This is the same concern we saw in Clark County, Nevada. We saw mail-in and election day actually there didn't show significant signs of manipulation, but early voting did. Pennsylvania doesn't have an early voting. They vote pretty much election day or mail-in.